You know, my friend, I try to be nice. And I sit in a jail, I come out, and I try to speak my mind to the people. Because that is what Abdar like to do. Speak to the people. And let the people know how Abdar feel. Today, my friend, I let you know how I feel about Iron Sheik. I used to look up to the man, Iron Sheik. Number one, no Hollywood bullshit. Hulk Hogan, no. Iron Sheik, my friend. But now, I let him know, him fat, him lazy, him bald, him fall down, drunk. Him cannot be like Abdar. Abdar is now king. I see the way him treat a little Beetlejuice. I see him on the Howard Stern. I see him on the YouTube. My friend, you will see Abdar. Abdar is coming for you, Iron Sheik. And when you meet the Abdar, you will bow down. And now, I tell the Iron Sheik, and the people call me. They say, Abdar, why you be mean to the Sheik? Abdar, why you talk bad about Sheiky baby? I have little homo call me. Abdar, leave Sheiky alone. Leave the Sheik alone. The Sheik can do nothing to you. Why you mess with the Sheik? My friend, fuck you. This is between me and the Sheik, my friend. And now, Abdar is coming for him. Howard Stern, you want a real star? You look at Abdar. Abdar is a man. Abdar is a king. Italian suit, my friend. What the Iron Sheik wear? T-shirt with him name. You do not see my name? Do you see my name back here? No, my friend. Do you see my name there? No. Because Abdar do not need that, my friend. Abdar says it all by one look, my friend. What are you looking at? Iron Sheik? Fuck you. I will see you. Fuck you very much.